them. As you can see, today we'll be doing a turban tutorial, but not any turban, Africana turban. I'm gonna recommend a friend, sister, Kiki, officially Kiki. She has a good turban, you know, urban turban tutorial, and I'm gonna link the video somewhere in this video, so just watch and you'll see Kiki's video come up, and do check that video out. Guys, don't forget, if you like this video, if you want more videos like this, let me know in the comments below. Also, don't forget to like this video if you like this video. I believe you're gonna like it. Also subscribe if you haven't already, and click that bell so you will miss out my next video. Love you guys. Let's get into this video. Mwah.
Hello again, guys. In an attempt to make this video short, I will be doing a quick voice over this tutorial. I hope you don't mind. I just want to tell you a bit about my turbans. These are my everyday simple, sometimes it's not even everyday, sometimes I wear these to my grand events. I mean, I just like to dress. Usually the Africana that I'm wearing has a lot going on usually, and I use my headgear. I want it to be beautiful, but I also wanted to create a balance with the whole outfit, and kind of dresses the outfit down a bit. Where the Africana that I'm wearing, the outfit that I'm wearing, where it's on the simple side, I dress the headgear up. So other than that, I just want to quickly take you through some of the things that I want you to take note of in this tutorial. First of all, I want you to note that I am very particular about hiding any imperfections with the fabric that I'm using. For example, like if the ends of the fabric aren't hemmed neatly, or the ends were overlocked with all that thread showing, I make sure to neatly fold those edges to hide that imperfection. Also, as you will see in later on this video, the Enkicha, the headscarf that I was using was made up of two small pieces. So the two small fabrics were joined together. Now the part that you can clearly see, the two pieces of cloth coming together, I make sure to hide that. Secondly, I make sure I have two main steps in my turban when doing my turban. So the first step, which is usually the foundational step, is where I usually create pockets or other creative ways creative ways to hide or tuck the fabric ends in the second step after actually doing the style. The second step is usually the style. So the ends of the fabric that is left out, I make sure to tuck it into the small pockets that I've created in the foundational step. The second step, like I said, is the style, but usually if my turban design takes off from the first step, if I do the star of the of the turban show, if I create it in the first step, I make sure that the second step does the cleaning up of hiding all the loose ends and knots, but they're usually in the foundational step, which is the first anyway. So the goal is to keep your audience guessing and guessing as to how you created this look, but they keep getting it wrong. Another thing is if you see a big knot showing, or a loose end of the fabric left to fly in the wind, then know it's meant to make a fashion statement. It is deliberate. And another thing again, I don't want you to neglect the back, guys. I've seen a lot of those, and that is not a good sign. I don't also, there's something that I don't like, all of those pins showing. Hide these things, guys, as much as you can. If you're putting them in the back, make sure you don't use a lot of pins as well. I know there are certain turban styles that calls for a lot of securing and all of that, but try to, if you're going to go heavy on the style, make sure the fabric that you're using can support the style, so that can help you use less pins. I hope I've given you enough info, seeing as my video is on the fast side, but you know we can always take this conversation, guys, down to the comments below. So guys, feel free to engage me and enjoy the rest of the video. Love you and Assalamu alaikum.